Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new project. This is Winter Tales from Stamperia. It is from Scrap and Create, and there is a link down below where you can get all your supplies and a link down below for the cutting guide for this project. Now, last year I did a project with this same collection, but I was really happy to work with it again, and there are some new items to go with the collection that I was able to use. So let's take a look. It has 5 by 7 pages, covers 5.5 by 7.5. I had 2 8 by 8s, 2 12 by 12s. I had the collectibles. I had a rice paper, and I had the 2 different sets of the I just drew a blank of the die cuts, and I had the wooden shapes. Plus, I had some flowers, as you can see. So. Here on the cover we have, this is from the collectibles. This little swan and bow are from the collectibles. These flowers are from Scrap and Create. The fussy cut flowers you see are all from the collectibles. There's also die cuts here. This is a wooden shape. So there's a lot going on here on this cover, but I love it. Now, the one thing that's on the cover are these little glittery balls. These were from my stash. That's these. I got these years ago in the dollar spot at Target. So I don't know if they carry them still or not. And I tried to find something similar on Amazon, and I just couldn't find them. But any kind of silvery bead will work. So there's that. It has some little half pearls in silver and gold from Graphic 45, which I'm pretty sure you can get at Scrap and Create as well. It does have a chain and charm closure, and this one is held into the book with garment pins, also known as bulb pins. I have some linked down below, I believe, if you need them. And I used navy cardstock, and I used white cardstock on the spine and on some of the inserts. And the spine is covered with rice paper, as you can see, and then the back has stuff stuck to it. It's just plain. And this book has 5 pages. I will tell you that originally it had 4, and when I started the tutorial it had 4, and then we got to the end and I just decided I wanted to add another page, so we added another page. So what you're going to hear in the tutorial is I'm going to refer to things as page 1, page 2, like that. But when I added that 5th page, I ended up shuffling them around. So don't go by what I'm saying in the video. On your cutting guide, I will have the correct page number for each thing. Maybe I'll note in it. In the video, I'm calling this whatever I'm calling it, so that you can match up what you've cut with what I'm saying in the video. But anyway, okay, so inside front cover, we just have a tuck spot. We have a tent card here with a lot of the chipboards, or excuse me, the die cuts. This is a die cut. These are flowers, obviously. And that just lifts up. It's held in place by a wooden shape. And then this is a fussy cut from the collectibles, and there's one up here that's actually hiding my magnet because I didn't think I needed a magnet, and then it turns out I really did. So if you want, when you mat this card, and I'll put it in the video, but go ahead and just tuck a magnet underneath the mat, and then you won't have to worry about it. But I actually like the way that looks, so I'm fine with it. Side pocket inserts, 5 of them in this case. And here we have, I pull this out. So these churches, these Orthodox churches, these are from the, I just drew a blank, the collectibles. This fussy cut is also from the collectibles, and this is one of the die cuts. And there are 2 sets on the wrong side. There are 2 sets of die cuts, and I had them both, and I used them both. And there's another side pocket insert. Oh, and then this opens like this, and we have a pocket. Almost didn't show you inside. Just one of the cut aparts. There's that. And then on this side it opens, And there's a different pocket. Oops, there's my cat. Hush, 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 I'm almost done. Yeah, almost done. Okay, and so that's how it looks when they're both open. Like that. Another side pocket insert. Sorry, she's fussing. Okay, and we have a belly band with just a photo mat in it. And this page is just a flap, so plenty of room for photos there. Another side pocket insert. They're all matted on the back. That, and then this opens like this. So you have this full scene and then like that. So there's a lot of room there for photos. Here we have just a little floating pocket with a tag. It has a little charm on it. Some flowers. Another side pocket insert that I didn't mat. I just realized this is not glued. Okay, well, I will get that after the video. That's going to look like that. That's what I get for having 5 pages. And then here we have, this is one of the die cuts. This is a wooden shape, some little flowers. And then here, these are from the collectibles. And then this is a die cut. This is a die cut. That's a die cut. So, and this is one of the cut aparts from the collection, from the 8x8. And another side pocket insert. And then here, these are just flaps, like that. And I need to trim that, it's awfully long. And let me do that while I'm thinking of it. And then here, these are all from the collectibles. And just a pocket here with that goes there. Okay. So, and then I'm going to do this. And this, oops, my closure came off. Hang on. What happened? Oh, the pin opened. Okay. It's held on with a pin. You know what, that's the second time that pin is opened. I'm going to have to replace it with a different pin, I think. But these, so you can see, they just clip on. And there we go. Okay. And then this has a barrel clasp on it, but you could use whatever kind of a clasp you want. So I'm not going to do that now because that'll take a minute. But anyway, so that is our album, and I hope you'll join me in making it. So I will see you next time, and we will get started with making this album. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.